Okay. No clue if that worked. If you can hear me, type in the chat. I don't even know. Hopefully that worked. Yo, chat. Oh, shoot, it did. All right, what's up? Yo, what's up, guys? No way. Yo, okay. I thought it wasn't working at first. Can you guys hear me? Hello. Yo, what's up, guys? Sup. Yo. All right, let's go. All right, welcome to the stream, everyone. This is my my new RPG game I've been working on. So it's kind of like you get to choose upgrades and stuff. You fight these enemies. I'm gonna be working on it this stream, so it's gonna be pretty banger stream today. What happened to Pogo Sim 2? It like kind of died, bro. We kept trying to update it, but it just kept dying, man. Hope you guys liked my last video. It actually did really well. I didn't expect it to do that well. But here's the game I'm working on right now. So right now we got these enemies. If you guys follow me on Twitter, you might have seen it. Yeah. It's kind of like Mega Bonk, yeah. Okay, the difficulty scaling is definitely not that good, but here I can make it look way better. Wait, here. Let me do this. Set the attack speed to like 10. There we go. Now it'll look cooler. There we go. All right. So here's the game I'm going to be working on today. I don't really know what I'm going to be doing for it. Just going to kind of vibe code it. So yeah, okay, it's actually spawning a ton of enemies. But so pretty much if you guys haven't seen Mega Bonk or you don't know this type of game, you just pretty much kill these enemies, collect stuff, and then upgrade whatever you want. And yeah, so I'm going to be working on this. We got some stuff to do. Reminds me of Monster Brawl. I've never seen that game. Make more effects. Yeah. We're going to have here, wait. Maybe I can get a new weapon. Slash. The slash isn't that cool. I want the explosion. Give me the explosion. I'll get more luck. When are you planning on releasing? No clue right now. Just kind of working on it as of right now. Where? Okay, it's not giving me the explosion. Whatever. But as you guys can see, this is it. We're gonna have a ton of enemies, so I can like spawn in a bunch. Just like this. 200. Boom. Look at that. That's tough, isn't it? There's a ton of enemies and you just kind of shoot them all. Here we go. Explosion. All right, look. This looks insane. Like it just destroys everything. Wait, now I need to spawn more. Boom. And the explosion just kind of hits all of them. Yeah, so here's the game so far. Gonna be working on some stuff. So yeah, make it 10 times bigger. I should. Oh, wait. Make what 10 times bigger though? It looks amazing. I hope it goes viral. Me too. Hopefully we break the brain rot era in Roblox with this game. I really like it so far. I think it's really good. All right, anyway. Let me get some music going and we can just... I need to code some stuff. So what I was working on right now was... I don't even remember. Oh, the enemy spawning. So it kind of does it like way too fast. If I just go and play the game, it's kind of like crazy. I don't know how to like scale the beginning of the game right now because it's kind of slow and then it gets too fast. So yeah, long time no see. Sorry for just completely disappearing. It's so nice to see you live again. Thank you. Thanks for joining again, Firestorm. Yeah, so I also got to get this UI working. Get all this working. I like the luck one though. But yeah, you're gonna have this whole map to explore. Why is it not shooting? Okay. So I probably should get some stuff written down that I have to do. What's up, everyone? Apartment tour when? Coming soon, coming soon. If you guys want an apartment tour, I could do that. For 200K, hey, if we hit 200K, I'll do an apartment tour. This stream. Make boots to get faster. I think we actually do have that. Like I just didn't add it yet. Like we have that written down, so it's gonna be added. But I think the beginning needs to definitely be like scaled up faster. Will you answer messages after stream? Sure. I'll check them out. How did you make the non-humanoid system? It looked really cool. A lot of code. So if you guys don't know, if I turn on the performance stats, as you can see, these are really low, which is really good. I don't know why the memory is 5,000. That's insane. But if I spawn in like 300 enemies, this will still run like this on mobile, or at least it should. Like it still runs pretty smoothly. I'm getting like 90 frames a second. Yeah, 90. With like 300-ish enemies. Okay, I'm just getting spawn camped. But pretty much I just made like a custom physics system, so like the enemies just like move on their own. All right, I'm just dying, but yeah, so I hope this game does well. I thought I'd just stream today. I haven't streamed in a minute. Thought I'd make a comeback, you know. Can you make a tutorial on admin commands on Subdoggy 2? Yes. I actually had that planned. Let me write that down. I think that's a good idea. All right. Okay, so I wanted to make the enemies spawn better, but I think we can just leave that for later. So what I did want to do is, so here's the fire staff. We got all this going. Oh, what was I gonna work on? Oh, I wanted to add elites. So I wanted to add different types of enemies. So one of the, here, let me turn off the upgrade frame. All right, where's the enemies? So in this game, if you have ever played Mega Bonk, it's gonna be exactly like that. It's gonna be exactly like that one. So we have the basic enemies right now, which are these two, and then the elites are just gonna be them but bigger. So I'm gonna try and add these. I think for right now, I'll kind of just add them like this. I'll just say elite zombie. I don't know if I have to rig these or anything. Yeah, I definitely do. I don't really want to do that though. All right, maybe we can try it a different way. We could just set up a random percent and then scale it. Here we go. Make more maps. Are you gonna have different character like Megabonk? Yes. Okay, wait. I could. Here, wait. Since we already have this, let's just clone this one and then scale this dude up. Oh wait, what is it at already? Let's just double it. All right, that works. So we can just use this zombie as the elite. So what the elites are gonna be is it's just gonna be like more powerful. Yeah, all the models are rendered on the client. So it's not, do you have PayPal, sir? Yeah, I do. Pre-recorded, you can't see it. Shout me out. It's not pre-recorded. Not shouting you out though. Okay. So we have the elite zombie, and then all we have to do to make the elite zombie work is go into the data. Let me just close all these. I was working on something else. All right, here. So here we just do, let's just copy this zombie and make it elite zombie. The max health will be, let's just do 80. Why not? And set it to like 25 damage. I feel like the attack cooldown should all be the same. Radius is, if you double it, would it be ×4? So then squared. We'll just do 12. I think that's fine. You stopped your game? What do you mean? Yeah. I'm making a book about you? No way. Yeah, I did not die, Crafty. Thanks for noticing. Okay, so we have the same walk animation. I think this will be good. And then we can close all this. Let's just set it to a random. Where does it spawn in the enemy? because I don't have any of them randomly spawning in right now. And I don't have the difficulty scaling well, which we're definitely going to have to balance in the future. What's your favorite Roblox game? Probably Rivals, honestly, because that game's like low-key sick. You're using Rojo now? I use Rojo. It's helpful. Good choice using it. Are you using GitHub? Yes. I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. Not eagle eye. Okay. So I need to get a random enemy. I don't even know how to do this. Let's just do this and then just do random enemy name 1 comma or math.random 1 comma, and we can just do the length of, we can make this prettier in the future. Oh, there. Now it should have a 50-50 chance of spawning the big ones whenever they do spawn. There we go. We got a big one. Okay. I actually usually just make them one hit. Uh-oh. Okay, I think it's definitely way too big, the radius. Low key, just make the radius 3 again. Add a gun. There is going to be a gun. I just haven't coded it yet. What's up, Slack? Slack. Is this a 1 in 50 challenge change for you? Please see this. This is a 1 in 50 change. What do you mean 1 in 50 change? You stopped updating your old games? Yeah, I mean, it's kind of hard. I'm trying to do like a ton of different things, so I like Rocket League too. Rocket League's a banger game. I've been playing Rocket League before it was popular. Wait, why are the materials gone? Oh, that's weird. Okay, so they can't actually hit me, which is definitely an issue. That's probably not good. Yes, I did make dish. Okay, I mean, there we go. Now we have elites. Elites are spawning. I feel like I should add a difficulty thing to this. We can, let's just do that. I mean, I don't know how to organize this. Difficulty equals 0. Because this one is not hard to kill at all. This one will be like 10. I want this to go viral. This is one step further to end brain rot. Yes. Everyone, hey, if you want to end brain rot, just support this game. That'll be the number one brain rot destroyer. Hopefully. We gotta revive the Forge because the Forge just completely dipped. Unity's fire. I love Unity. I never really tried it that much. When I was first trying to make games, I was deciding between Roblox and Unity. Ended up deciding with Roblox, so could have been a completely different developer if I did Unity. What is going on with this? Yeah, all of our VFX is just kind of out here. It reminds you of Hunty Zombie. Thank you. All right, I think I need to reload my studio though, because the materials are gone. I don't know where they went. What's my least favorite Roblox game? Yo! Charlie Dev became a member. Thank you so much, Charlie Dev. Hey, shout out Charlie Dev. W's in the chat for Charlie. Let's go. Banana is my #1 word? No way. Thank you so much for becoming a member. I didn't even know I had members still on, honestly. Okay. Maybe I should turn this music down. All right. So I think the elites honestly will be fine like that. Like if they just are big. Maybe add a crown on them. Okay. I gotta make sure all the upgrades are working too. Here, where's the upgrade data? Boom. Okay, so these are kind of broken right now because if you get more than 1 XP, okay, let me also go to the upgrade service. Boom. What is it? Just say your question. Can you create a combat free model? Like you mean a combat system? I definitely could. YouTube only allows credit card? I don't, dude, you don't have to donate. It's fine. Thank you though, Hugo. Okay, so we got bandage. I think this is fine. Maybe I should just copy these because I switched all the names. 0.1. Crystal is pickup range. Pickup. Let me go down. Pickup range 1. Start value 10, 1, 100. I feel like we gotta increase it by at least 2. Because increasing it by 1 is kind of crazy. Hey, not Dunjora anymore though. What's up, Osu? Wizard zombie that shoots the player. The thing is, with like the projectiles, it's kind of hard to see them whenever you're fighting a bunch of enemies, so I don't think that would be good. My Roblox user is just subdoggy dev. Yeah, it's actually Final Swarm. Hey, thank you, Zonk. Okay, pickup range. Let me just fix all these. Where's damage? I know the damage is like times 10 when you do it, so that's probably not good. 0.08 damage. Okay. 0.08. What is the max damage? Max value is 10. Scope. Critical chance. Wait, can I just do this? Oh yeah. 1/175. Okay. Boom. Alright, I'm just making the upgrades. How did you learn how to script? I just watched tutorials on YouTube. Are Dunjora and Final Swarm 2 different games? So Dunjora was like the original one. It was called Dunjora because it was going to be in like a dungeon. And then we realized we wanted it to be like there's only so much you can do with a dungeon. So we kind of decided against it. 0, 1, 10. So yeah. 0. Oop. Boom. Where's luck? 0, 750. I think if it's 0, we don't need it. 50. I'm trying to build a story game like yours. No way. I hope that goes well. What should I learn if I would like to make a physics system like you? I mean, physics. Like, you have to learn physics. It's not too hard. Like, you kind of just have to, like, go one at a time. Yo, Charlie Dev, RB, thank
Charlie
you.
Dev
Oh, no, do not start this again.
$2.80. Woman in motorized wheelchair facing right emoji.
Do not start spamming that emoji. Thank you so much for the donation, though. We are not bringing that back. We left that in 2025. In the big 26, you cannot have the woman in wheelchair emoji. What are my thoughts on AI? I think AI it's a good tool, but I think it's definitely being slightly overhyped. I feel like a lot of big companies use it for like nothing. Like it's just kind of like I don't know. But I mean, I like AI. It helps me code. I'm not gonna lie. I use it all the time to code. So wait, attack speed, max value 700. 0. I don't remember it being 700. Okay, there. I think we have those. Yeah, don't use AI logos or anything. I still use real people. GD as in geometry dash? What type of physics? I mean, I don't know. I took physics in high school, and that was like one of my favorite classes. I honestly liked it a lot. Well, that was just because I had a good teacher. But I mean, you just got to learn about gravity. See, like the enemies, I made them. I can't really make them fall off anything, but I pretty much added gravity to them, so they hit the ground. I'm gonna make a YouTube short about this, which I'm gonna start try and post a lot. But pretty much I added gravity to them, right? So they fall. And what I had to do was detect the ground. So the enemies are like constantly falling and they're detecting the ground. So they're staying up, right? And then to make them move, I just move them towards the player. And then they just detect the ground and detect walls and like everything. So like pretty much all you have to learn is how to just make them hit things. And then they also hit each other. See, like they're going to group up a little bit. They can't even hit me though. Oh, I think I know why. Maybe I have to, I don't think wait. Are any of these can collide? Okay, the head, humanoid root part. Yeah, these should not be. Where's the torso? What is this part? Humanoid root part. Okay, make that cannot collide. So you want the head and the torso to collide. That's pretty much it. This one, humanoid root part, can't collide. Because the humanoid root part, I'm pretty sure is just the hitbox. Can you make scripting tutorials? Check my second channel, SupDoggy2. This game looks tough, SupDoggy. Thank you, Mr. Lemons. I don't know if you meant to, but you sent me a friend request on Discord. I don't know why I tried messaging you, but you never replied. I have no clue, honestly. But, I mean, yeah. I'm glad I added you, I guess. Yo, Chameleon gifted a membership? Thank you so much, Chameleon. Let's go. Hey, W Chameleon in the chat. Wait, why did 2 just go off? Wait. I'm trying to... I can't, like, see what just happened. Why did it make a ding sound twice? Thank you, Chameleon. W Chameleon, let's go. Yo, Skibbity Ohio Lucas got a membership. Let's go. Welcome to the membership channel. I think I should make these guys hitboxes a little bit bigger. Maybe like, where's enemy data? Elite zombie is, let's just do 5. Yo, Chameleon, thank you for the donut.
At Chameleon45678 fed a doge with $2.36. Time for you to get MA money.
Thank you so much, Chameleon. Charlie Dev gifted another membership. Wait, undefined. Hugo Dev got a membership. Let's go. Thank you guys. This is crazy. Why are you guys donating so much? Why did Hugo get it? That's funny. Give me, hey, start spamming. Everyone gets a gift. Talk about the background, bro. Oh yeah, W background. No, tearful. Hey, okay. I'm in my apartment and I have no furniture. So just okay. Let me explain myself. So I have a mattress behind, like a cover behind me, because it echoes so much. So I put up the mattresses so it wouldn't echo. I know, I'm smart. And I have one right there too. It's like a comforter for like a mattress. I had an extra one, so I just decided to put it up. But it actually helped the echo so much. So screw you, tearful. Yo, Charlie Dev gifted another membership. Thank you, bro. Let's go. Wait, do I have to say it like a streamer? Thank you, Charlie, with the 1 gifted. Why is it dinging twice every time? The ad cut you off. Oh shoot, I didn't know I had ads on. I honestly shouldn't have ads on. I don't know why I do it. I think I would make 1 cent from the stream, honestly, with how many viewers I get. I think you need like 10 million on YouTube to make anything from streams. Should I try streaming on, would anyone watch me on, Twitch? Yo, Chameleon again. Oh no.
At Chameleon45.
Muting that. Okay, I won't mute it.
SSNC implies put saw it in yap instas or else. Woman in motorized wheelchair facing right emoji.
We gotta stop
Woman
with
in
this
motorized
woman
wheelchair
in
facing
motorized
right
vehicle.
Woman in
I'm turning
motorized
that down.
wheelchair facing right emoji. Woman in motorized wheelchair facing
All
right
right, all right.
emoji.
You get one woman in motorized vehicle
facing
thing,
right emoji. Woman
then
in
you're done.
motorized wheelchair facing right emoji.
Honestly, I haven't
Woman in
even been paying
motorized
attention to the
wheelchair
game.
facing right emoji. Woman in motorized wheelchair facing right emoji. Woman in motorized wheelchair facing right emoji. Woman in motorized wheelchair facing right emoji. Woman
Make a
in
king
motorized
zombie? I mean, this
wheelchair
kind of is a
facing
king
right
zombie, right?
emoji. Woman in motorized
I have,
wheelchair
an
facing
idea.
right emoji. Woman in
do
motorized
this.
wheelchair facing right emoji. Woman in motorized wheelchair
Okay, bro, this is
facing
actually
right
like
emoji.
insane. Okay, no more doing that. I'm gonna ban Chameleon from donating. Okay, I need a. Where's my dialogue system? If you guys don't know, I have a dialogue system. Here it is. I just honestly wanted the workspace, showcase NPC, head, GUI. I just wanted this GUI, honestly. I'm gonna delete that.
At Charlie
Yo, Charlie, thank you.
$7. Let's see whose wallet runs dry first.
No, the donation wars. The donation wars of 26. Hey, thank you guys for donating. You do not have to donate, by the way. Thank you so much, though. Okay, wait. What font do I even use for the damage indicator? Laura. Okay. I don't think I need the dialogue. Yo, thank you so much. Chameleon became a real Doge. Let's go. Thank you, Chameleon. How do like streamers say that? Like, what do I even say? Thanks for joining, for subscribing. Oh yeah, someone subbed. Yo, Tearful. Thank you for the 5.
Fed a Doge with $4.99. I'm joining the donation wars.
Thank you, Tearful. Let's go. Hey, W Tearful in the chat. That'll come out of your yeah, this is an infinite money glitch. Just donation wars. Okay, where's Laura? This is like, actually, I should turn off donations. I can't even focus. I should have Modeler Coolest make this, because he would definitely be way better. This honestly doesn't even look that good. Let's make this a little higher. I need a crown emoji. Let me get this crown emoji on Google. Boom. I don't think it needs an arrow. Oh.
At Chameleon 45678 fed a Doge with $2.36.
Thank you, Chameleon.
Oh God. The war.
The war. Wait, what's the book name? Bulbasaur. Sorry, I'm trying to read chat. Sorry if I'm not doing that well. You should add skeletons and a baby zombie. Ooh, a baby zombie's a good idea. Wait, let me write that down. Yo, a jockey though? A jockey would be fire. What do you mean making Dish a kit? What does that mean? I think this crown should be bigger. Maybe make this... Oh wait, I have an idea. The scale's 1:1? Oh. 3. Oh yeah, there we go. It's a little too big. Oh. Wait, that didn't do anything. Yeah, like that.
At Charlie Deverbe fed a Doge with $2.80.
Thank you, Charlie. E. Thank you, Charlie, for the dono. I don't know how to respond to that. E. W. Firestorm W game. Thank you. How do you move enemies' forces every frame? I can explain it.
At Chameleon 45678 fed a Doge with $2.36. Better add me smile.
Thank you, Chameleon, with the $2. What do you mean better add you? I'll add you on I think I already have you added. Cause hey, if you guys don't know, Chameleon made all the emojis. So if you guys are members, you can use the emojis. And you can send images in the chat. I probably shouldn't remind you of that. So if you don't know how the enemy works, oh wait, this is the service. Let me go to the enemy class. So pretty much it spawns in an enemy, right? And I use object-oriented programming to make this class of an enemy, which has this position value, right? And so I have it hooked up to a tick service, which updates 48 times a second. Okay, stay with me now. So every 48 times a second, it runs this move function, which moves the enemies. And so what this does is it adds gravity to it, detects walls, slopes, like checks for stairs, and where's the gravity? Like vertical movement. Here's where it adds the gravity and everything. This is the horizontal movement up here, and it tries to damage the player. So like 48 times a second, it does this. I don't know. I'm not really good at explaining things. I need to like write it down for a video. I'll make a short about it. All right. That'll be my next YouTube short. I'll explain how I do that, so you guys can watch that. You should make a sup doggy enemy. I could actually. I could do that. That should low-key be an admin abuse thing. Can I even admin abuse in this type of game? I don't know. Also, someone commented on my video. This is just an energy drink. This is not alcohol. Someone commented on my last video because I was drinking one of those, and they said sup doggy was getting drunk in the video, and I am not drinking. It's literally an energy drink. Well, I'm drinking an energy drink, not whatever. All right. I think I'm going to work on the UI. So like this type of stuff. Wait, is this counting up or down? Does anyone know? We want raining dishes. Oh yeah, beans. Should I add beans again? Dish admin abuse. Oh, that would have been sick if I would have done that. Make a game with AI in a certain time limit. I honestly could, but I don't know how well that do. And I like making games myself. Okay, let me hook up all this UI. Let's just close all this stuff. I don't think the game is too fun yet. It looks really good, but I think the game needs more stuff. Okay. I think the XP display works. This probably should go over. Add Easter eggs. They're cool. I'm definitely going to add Easter eggs to the map and stuff. Hey, we're going to add stream only Easter eggs. So maybe I should add one for this stream. I don't know. Make Subdoggy 2 spawn every like 1 in 1 million. Make it a mini boss. That would be good. That would actually be cool. Ooh, I kind of like that idea. Okay. I'll say very rare chance spawn Subdoggy. I've been making Megabonk on Roblox for 1 month now. I will scrap it. Hey, nah, you can definitely compete. We can see whose game does better. I hope this won't flop like Pogo 2. Me too. Subdoggy stream mods. The job application. Dude, I should honestly... Oh, wait. Where'd the crown go? Okay. I feel like that's not in the center of his head. Oh, it kind of is, but it's like... It stays like in the center. I don't like that. I think it should stay in place. Make a zombie with a sword. Ooh. I think I'm just going to have like things like this though, where it's like... I killed it. Oh, there we go. Now we have 2 projectiles. How did you fix the scaling issue? What scaling issue? Let me go back here. I think I'll revisit this at a later date. Let's just copy this. I'll revisit this later. I think first things first, though, I should get the UI working. Because I had it working before. And I want to make it so you can play with multiple people again, because I don't think you can. You can make a low gravity weather or acid rain. Yeah, we could definitely add events like that. Which networker are you using? I'm using Leaf. So if you look up Leaf on YouTube, he has such good tutorials. Definitely watch him. I learned a lot from him. The Android emoji looks a bit weird with the game style. Yeah, you're low key right. I'll definitely add like a better one later. Okay. Oh, the UI scaling on different devices. Oh no, it's good. Oh, I mean that's kind of off. But we'll have, if Tearful's still here, you can fix that, Tearful. Will this game have multiplayer? Yes, for sure. Okay, maybe I should. Let's take this VFX and put it in server storage just so it's not in the way. Okay, so I want all this stuff to work. I had it working here. I don't know what happened. Because it doesn't work now. I feel like this isn't big enough. I can't really see it. Round HUD. Oh, okay, that's the wrong thing. Yo, Chameleon, thank you again.
Fed a Doge with $2.36. Soup Dog ghosting my RBLX friend request for long skeptical.
Bro, what? I'm not ghosting your friend request. I have not seen it. I would never, Chameleon, I would never ghost your friend request. Just DM me and I'll add you after the stream. I'm going to ghost it again. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, I won't. I actually will add you. You definitely deserve to be added. Do not specifically processed American meat. What? Yo, what's up? I can't SP. Skill tree would be cool. Ooh, that's a good idea. Skill tree.
At Charlie Deverbe fed a Doge with $2.80.
Yo, thank you, Charlie.
Will there be P2W in the game?
Oh, 100%. Hey, I need to make money somehow. So you guys are going to be making me money. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. That's a joke. That's a joke. Maybe. Oh, okay, wait. I had all the UI was just... Oh, okay, this is all the old stuff. Leaderboard, top. Oh, wait, what's this? Oh, is this changed? Top. Ooh, okay, so we have to port the new stuff over. Does this work though? Yo, mod, stop people from spamming. Oh wait. Infinite yield on VFX? Oh. Okay. The VFX folder was supposed to be empty. Shout out Johnny. Make a game yourself with AI with toolbox W video idea. Banger. Why did the materials keep going away? What is going on? I need to see if the UI is working. I need to get hit by this enemy. Don't shoot him. All right, let me spawn enemies. Spawn elite zombie 100. Ho ho. Yeah, the Android crown emojis definitely needs to go. Okay, it does work. Let's go. All right, we got to get the new stuff in here. Boom, template. Okay. Boom. Is this the exact same? Player image. Okay, let's go. W Tearful. But that is not named the same name label. Okay. Boom. All right. Add this and then delete that. Perfect. Now we have that leaderboard. Bottom. Okay. I don't think I ever did anything with the... Oh, no, I definitely did. Okay, this is the OG one. I did stuff with the health. This is the new one. Boss health bar. Let's name this bars. Energy bar. Health bar. Minecraft version of me. Hi. What did you end up learning from Brain Rot Factory? I would say I would say have better updates and don't rush updates. And it would be better to have a better update than a bad one. Also, optimize your games, because that's what I'm doing with this one. That game was not optimized at all. How did you optimize the game? My game can't handle 50 NPCs with the damage indicator. I coded my own, which I'll make. I keep saying I'm going to make a video about it, so I will. So, yeah. Oh, player stats. Okay, let's do player stats. Health bar. Yo, Chameleon again, thank you.
5678 fed a doge with $2.36. We will soon get the first member event.
Hey,
Trust.
I can do
smiling face with tear emoji.
I can do member streams and stuff. Hey, if you are a member, join the Discord. And then I'll start doing the actual. Let me write this down, and I'll star it. Member rewards. Hey, if we ever did a member stream where I just play games with you guys, that would actually be good. Finally, another Leaf fan. Literally everything I use is from him. Dude, same. Here, wait, let me show you. Like, look at my packages. I'm using, this is Leaf's Gen Rojo tree. I'm using his thing. Also, my packages, where is it? Networker, this is his. And I'm using his data service module. So I'm using 3 things from him. It's actually goated. Good luck, potato guy, whatever you're studying. In terms of acquisition and being approached by studios, what's one piece of advice you think is important? I mean, honestly, don't take 90% of the offers they're going to offer you. Unless you're like done with the game and you want to work on something else, it's usually not worth it. But if you like the game you made, do not sell it. Especially like the thing I learned with Brain Rot Factory is I tried to sell it, and so I stopped working on the game as much, and then I let it die, and then I tried to revive it, but it was kind of too late. So I would say if you like, because I really liked Brain Rot Factory. I didn't think it was just a Brain Rot game. I like genuinely had fun coding it. So I wish I would have still worked on it, but you live and you learn. I wonder if this is going to work. Wait, what if... Yeah, Tearful did not do that.
At Hugo Devs fed a doge with $2.36. In your opinion, is Rojo better than Roblox coding?
I mean, I like the AI integration, which really helps. I like the agent because, like, in here, I can literally just be like add this entire script and be like, fix this for me, and it fixes it. It also helps me make it like everything is properly formatted. But I wouldn't recommend VS Coding to anyone who is not good at Roblox coding it. Like, if you don't know 90% of the services that you need off the top of your head and like how to use most stuff, don't use it, because Roblox helps a lot. Yo, Charlie, thank you for the 1 gifted. W Charlie. Yo, banger Charlie. But yeah, if you... Why does it ding twice? I don't know. But yeah. Yeah, I would say don't use... Wait, should I make this bar go... go toward like this way down? I think so, right? I mean, that would make sense in my head. There we go. And we gotta call this fill. Value. I don't know if that does not look centered. Okay, this is not, that is not work. Let me just add this and just don't show it. Okay, wait, does that work for the health bar? What does this say? Phil is not a valid member of frame. Leaderboard players. Wait, what? Oh. Okay, I think we can delete that. The leaderboard, health bar. This should be called fill. There we go. Value. Okay, there. I think that's good. Is data service better than profile service? Data service is profile service in this. It's just profile service. Use profile service. Trust me, coming from someone who ruined their game because they did not use profile service. Use profile service. But yeah, the data service is just called that because it is my data service.
That Charlie Devebe fed a Doge with $2.80. I won the Dono War. Yippee.
Hey, W Charlie, he won, I guess. That's funny. Oh, Tearful. Bro's not here. W Charlie, let's go. You'll rule the day. Okay, I gotta fix this. That is not right. You should try and make some sort of potion system. Like you have a potion that can drop from an enemy, have a random effect. Ooh. I like that. I actually really... Wait. Potions that drop from enemies.
At Hugo Devs fed a Doge with $3.55. Are you the one that always messes up the data?
Yes. Dude, not anymore though. Hey, your data is safe with me now. It'll be good now. I just had some hiccups. We had some hiccups in the past. But we move on. We live and you learn, you know. But yeah, I am that one, Hugo. Shut up. This game actually looks cool. Thank you. If you guys want to join the Discord for it, I'm going to be posting in my Discord. The links are in the description. We're going to have one for Evolution Studios, which is the one this game's under, but also my YouTube Discord. Okay. Oh, wait. I need to check if I get... Oh, wait. I already checked that. Maybe I should hook up the level. I think that would be good. Yeah, don't need that anymore. Top. Wait, let me just see what's in this one. Oh, you got your level and your keys. Okay. Level frame. Upgrades. Okay. Upgrade gold. XP bar. Okay. Sorry about that. I like Super Flash. Thank you. Turn into full. Wait, that turned into full UI. Like you use a prompt instead of UI. Into a CS2 rolling UI? Wait, what? Also, have you ever tried to do some custom proximity prompts that turn into full UI? Like you use the prompt instead of the UI, it transforms smoothly into Oh, I mean, I think you mean like a gambling type thing. But I could. I have done like custom proximity prompts in like most of my games. Do you want help the bot number repost live stream? Yeah, that would be cool, Tide. Can you have a tutorial on your second channel to make a quest system like in Dish? Yes. Oh, that's actually that's a good idea. But I mean, mostly the main issue you would have with like making your own quest system, if you were to try, is just tracking the stats. Because like you could have a quest that's like in this game, kill 1,000 enemies, and the main issue you would have with that is just tracking how many enemies you kill, and that's it, and just checking when it's done. That's like the main thing with quests. Like a quest system is super easy. It's just all about tracking whatever quest you're trying to complete. So yeah, it says level 2. Now we have a shock. So this VFX will be for the axe. Ooh, this actually looks cool. With two weapons though, the game is like way better. It's way more like fun. I think it should definitely spawn in more enemies. I joined your Discord. Let's go. Thank you. DevX rates are trash. I gave all my money back to you. Thank you. Let's go. Yeah, this should definitely be like an explosion type. I also joined RN. I don't know what RN is. I can only animate. Dude, I used to, before I could code, I was a huge animator. That was like my dream job, was to make animations. 67 viewers. Let's go. Okay, I don't think I need this level frame. I gotta figure out where that is. Health display. Is it in here? Level. Yeah, right here. If I just comment this out, do I ever update the keys? Key label. I don't think I need to have that there. Well, let me just comment this out. We can add this back in when we fix it. Okay. Boom. Okay, we'll fix that later. Delete. And then, is this visible? Oh, here. Oops. Boom. Okay. So we gotta add this stuff. Boss health bar. Boom. That'll be cool. Wait, if I add multiple? Okay, well, we're gonna need a way to add multiple boss health bars, so we gotta fix that. And then this level frame here. And then top right. Boom. And then quests. All right, there we go. So this seems pretty good so far. Can I play test this on my washing machine? Genuine question. If you can get Roblox on your washing machine, I don't see why not, honestly. I think you could. Main info holder, player level value. Okay. Let's go level label. Okay, I gotta remember what this is. Top right, main info holder, player level value. Let's go top. Where's top frame? HUD dot top right dot main info holder. Like, this is the issue with VS Code, because I can't just like auto complete this. Player level dot level something. Is it level value? Oh, it is. How did it know that? So that's the level label. And then right here, just uncomment that LVO. Caps? No, not caps. LVO. There we go. Oh, what did Chameleon say? DM me your address. Yeah, yo, pull up. It's gonna be a good time. I just use VS Code King Studio or Night Studio, Kite Studio, because it has this good AI integration and it helps a lot with my workflow, honestly. But I just kind of like it. I'm used to it now. At first, I was like, why would anyone use this? And then I kept using it. And I don't know. I just kind of like it because it has the AI stuff in it. But if Roblox ever added AI, then that would be perfect. I have scripting tutorials if you look up SupDoggy2. Are you using an extension to get the folder icons in VS Code? Yes. I'm using material icon theme, I think. Yeah, that seems. I think these are all my things. I turned off this. I mean, yeah. Material icon theme, pretty sure. Okay, let me get locked in. Does the level work now? There we go, level 1. Boom. I think it should update the keys as well. So we got to figure out where are the keys. This will be the same thing, honestly. Top right, main info holder, player, keys. Yep. Player, keys, and then keys value. Boom. Uncomment that. Uncomment that. There you go. 0 keys. We could also track the amount of kills you have, which would be cool.
That Fudge Dev fed a Doge with $2.
Yo, Fudge!
This game already looks so good.
Hey, thank you, Fudge. Hey, shout out Fudge. If you guys don't know who Fudge is, he made Pixel Blade. Thank you, Fudge, for the $2. This game looks really good. Thank you. There's no materials on anything. I don't know why. I don't know where all the materials went. Oh, I gotta turn off the little health here because you have it here. But we also have to add dashing. I don't know what else. Some other stuff. Okay. You should add some walk animations and some sword animations and some stuff to the enemy animations. Yeah, I made this enemy animation in like 1.5 seconds. None of these animations are final. We're gonna have like cool movement and stuff. I don't know why the materials keep glitching out. All right, let me close this again. I'll open the place. I don't know what is going on with the materials. It's kind of annoying. Like, why do I have to keep opening it? There we go. Now it shows the materials. Like, that's so stupid. Am I right? Right, chat? What are you using to edit your videos? I use Premiere Pro. And I edit all my own videos, if anyone's asking who my editor is. How to make a code thing where you put in a code and it gives you stuff. Ooh. That would be cool. Rojo doesn't sync well for me, though. You honestly don't even need Rojo anymore. If you have a folder, you can use this thing called script sync, which does the exact same thing. So you just sync with directory. I'm not going to click it because it'll show my files. But then you just link it to a text file in your files. And then it syncs it. Roblox has it built in automatically. You just have to go into file and then beta features and enable it. So I use that sometimes when Rojo isn't syncing well. Name a car for an edit. McLaren 765 LT. McLaren 765 LT. Those dream car. Honestly, no, an SVJ is my dream car, but I think it would go a McLaren 720S and then an SVJ. Like, I know those are completely different cars, but McLaren 6.7. No. Dude, the VFX just make everything look so much better. Like the fireball looks so sick. Boom. Now we got some good. Were there 2 fireballs there? Wait, did I add the delay on the fireballs? I think it's in weapon. I did. There should be a delay on it. Is the game public? No, not yet. Bro's upload schedule is so cooked. I know. Hey, I'm gonna try and get it. I'm gonna try and get it under control though. Hopefully we can get it down. Okay, so I did the HUD. So we got all this working. Maybe I should track the amount of enemies you kill. What's up, Crazy About Gaming? Itoshi Rin's back. What's up? Oh yeah, stream's 1 hour long. Let's go. Ooh, and viewports. Thank you, Hugo, for reminding me. I can actually try and do that right now because I have some stuff I have to add in for viewports. I have to find where the assets are. Oh, assets. Items. Here we go. Let me try and add the weapons first. Which one's the fire staff? This one? Okay, let's go assets. Let's go weapons. Add the fire staff. Should fire staff be one word? I think it should be one word. All right, so we got to set up the viewport frames now. We have the bottom inventory holder. Oh geez, this is not good. Item image. I thought there was viewports on this stuff. Where were the viewports? I swear those viewports. Lighting looks pretty cool. Thank you. I did not make it. Shout out Model the Coolest. Thunder staff, even better. Okay, let's see. Wait, what's the other one called? It's like a viewport frame and like a world frame or something. World model. I think that's the other version of a viewport frame. I don't remember how I did this. Boom, boom. Set background transparency to 1. Okay. Let's try and disable this. Okay. I'm going to open up one of my games where I have used viewport frames. I don't know, should I use a world model or a normal model? I don't know. What's a game that I use viewports in? All right, let me get it from here. Subscribed to you for 3 years and 20 minutes. What? That's insane. Wait, there's no way. Did I post 3 years ago? Oh. The game name is The Final Swarm. It is not out yet though. Okay. Let's do. Okay, I get module 3D in here. I wonder if module 3D. Okay, sorry, I'm like low key Okay, I don't know if this will work, but we have to add in a new package. There we go. And then ah, dang it. Did this turn off? I don't know. All right, that should be good. Can I get Waller now? Or module 3D? Okay, I can. Okay, don't need XP display, don't need health display, don't need that. Let's go. It's another thing for the HUD, so we got to do weapon, or what would you call this thing on the bottom? What is this? Your hotbar? I just realized I have Minecraft Windows open. I did that one time. I had Minecraft open for like 35 hours. Is going for viral for LOL not viral for? My brain just melted. I can't send gifts like everyone else. You have to be a member to send gifts. Sorry. Well, actually, I think you have. Wait. Can you send gifts if you're a mod? Or can you send gifts if you're a member but not a mod? Hugo, Hugo, try and send a GIF. Someone tell Hugo how to send a GIF. I want to see if he can do it. Sorry. But if everyone could send GIFs, they could send like some crazy stuff. I gotta go through all the members again, or the mods. Yeah, people could send some crazy stuff, yeah. Sup doggy. Sup Misa JD. Very good idea to make me a mod. I'm sure it would be. Okay, wait. I'm like low-key so distracted. What was I even doing? Does anyone remember? Okay, I'm low-key so cooked, bro. I need to get back into whatever I was doing. Okay. Okay, wait. I had to figure out what that was called. What would this be called? Weapon display? Oh, is it not connected? Couldn't connect to Rojo's server? Is it not active? Oh, wrong one. Oh, error. Server packages. What? Wait, what? Oh my gosh, it deleted my server packages. Wait, why did it do that? Wait, what the heck? Do I still have them here? What the heck? Wait. What is going on? Why did it just delete my server packages? Let me fix this. Roblox projects. Oh my gosh. Why did it do that? Give me 1 second, guys. I'm trying to fix. I don't know why I deleted it. Couldn't sync. My CMDR thing is screwing it up. Wait, did that work? Okay. Now I have this back. So if I try and run Rojo again. Okay, I think that worked. Plugins, Rojo, connect. Okay, there we go. I don't know why that happened. This just broke. Oh yeah, undo script sync. All right, there we go. Now it's back. Okay. Anyway, geez, that was so weird. I don't know why that happened. Okay, we need a new one for hotbar. And let's just copy the XP display. Shoop. Paste. Okay, there we go. UI controller, don't need any of these. Don't need those. Don't need those. Do I use this? Do I use this? No. Okay, there we go. Oh. In it. So this will be the hotbar. All right, I'm gonna try and do the this stuff. Sorry, I have not read chat. I was so confused. Oh my gosh, that was hurting my brain. Can you give me some tips on how to learn how to script? Watch a ton of tutorials. Try and make a bunch of small projects. And that's most of my tips I would give. How did you learn how to code? It was a long process, honestly. You just have to enjoy it. And don't try and make anything too big at first. Try and stick to like small games. Okay, so we have the hotbar. Let's get tool number 1. Let's try and set this up to the viewport frame. Let me see how I do it in this game. Okay, this is like a template game I have. Menu, index, main, scroll frame, viewport frame, world model. Okay. So I have a world model in here. Boom. Okay. Did you learn it from YouTube? Yes. If you want to check out my tutorials, I have some good stuff. Well, they're all right. I have it on my second channel, Supdoggy 2. Make more cash grabs. Cash grabs are amazing. Okay. Whatever you want. I'm just doing what you want. Let's go with viewport frames. That's the lighting. Okay, here. This is what we want. Where's this camera used? Okay, I think I used all this. Okay, hotbar. Let's add a function. Or create model. There we go. So all this is like errors. Make a video 10 developers versus you plus a random person. Okay, that would be cool. Versus what? Like to make a game? How should I start making games if I have no experience? You really inspired me, but I don't know how to start. I would say just watch tutorials. There's a ton of free stuff on YouTube. A lot of them are really long and boring, and it takes a long time. But when you learn, it gets fun because then you can make whatever you want, and it's cool. Yo, Chameleon, thank you so much for the
At
$1.
Kamaleon 45678 fed a
Appreciate it.
Doge with $1.18.
Thank you, Chameleon. Okay, object. I think we should just do this. We'll pass in the model, clone the model, use the module 3D. There we go. Frame clone. Frame clone, where's that? Oh, that's the thing. Okay, then the viewport frame. Viewport frame? Wait, what? Is that not the same thing? Why does this have an error? Oh, it's supposed to be a frame. Oh, does it create it? Yo, Charlie, thank you again with the donut.
Fed a Doge with $2.80. Please make a Kamaleon boss. I got to bomb him.
That would be funny.
Emoji.
That would be funny if we had a chameleon boss. Okay, let me just not pass in that it's a viewport frame. I could definitely make a chameleon boss. Hugo, stream together. Yo, low-key, everyone, a member stream coming soon, hopefully. Frame.viewportframe.viewportframe.camera. Object clone dot parent equals world model. Okay, let's just take out this. When we run it, oh yeah, do that, and then let's do hotbar, comma, create model, and let's go replicated storage dot assets dot weapons dot fire staff. And then we got to get the viewport frame, which would be HUD, wrong game, which would be HUD dot bottom dot inventory holder dot tool dot viewport frame. That's a lot. HUD dot, already forgot, bottom dot inventory holder dot tool underscore one dot viewport frame. Boom, there we go. Will that work? Probably not. Yo, is this for a video? Yes, I'm working on the video right now. Chill, man, come play Steel Brain Rot event. Oh yeah, low-key should take a break. Kind of getting my brain fried. You are the guy advice doggy. I don't know what that means. What's the game name? It's called The Final Swarm. It's not out yet. Hopefully it'll be out soon though. Okay, if I just try that out, fingers crossed. Module 3D camera is depreciated. There it is though. Use current camera. Do I use dot camera? There we go. Let's try that. Wow, that is not a good thing. All right, field of view 10. Let's try that. That did absolutely nothing. Depth multiplier? No clue. Should we do like 0.3? Let's try lower and then higher. Okay, wait, that made it a little better. I don't think we should have viewports for this, honestly. This is low-key so cooked. Okay. One of these has to be 90. Or negative 90. Should I use Rojo and VS or do I stick to Studio? Honestly, I would say stick to Studio. It's not that worth it to use VS Code. Do you make tutorials? Yes, on my second channel, SupDoggy2. This looks so bad though. Why does this look so bad? Okay, let's go viewport frame. Why is it in red? Calm down. Actually, let's do this. Bottom, inventory, tool, viewport frame, viewport frame. Maybe I should just pass in the tool. That did not work. Oops, I messed it up. Okay. I'm gonna try and make more tutorials, yeah. How did you make the dish minigame? I mean, I can't really explain it that easily. I had like a tick system, set it up. Wait, can I? One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is going on? Oh, there we go. Okay, I need it to be 1. And then tilt it a little. Let's go. Honestly, just do this. Let's add this world model here. Camera equals frame clone. Let's do frame. Frame dot viewport frame dot camera. Camera dot parent equals no. Frame dot viewport frame dot current camera equals camera. No. Let's do frame dot world model dot parent equals frame dot viewport frame. And then the object clone frame. Yeah. Let's see how that looks. Okay. And then pivot to zero comma 1 times cframe dot angles 0. Fire game so far. Thank you. Okay, there we go. Now it's now it looks a little better. And then let's try and set the rotation. I think it needs to be more zoomed in. Tool 1. What if I set this to like 15? Absolutely nothing. 15. All right, I got no clue. Let's just try this. Do you play Geometry Dash? Yes, I've beat all the basic levels in Geometry Dash. Are you recording? I mean, I'm streaming, so yeah, I'm recording. Okay. Ooh, okay, that's kind of good. Do I know what I'm doing? No. I am literally just trying everything. What? Widget must be underneath a plugin? I think this should definitely be an image. Oops. Dude, what is... This is like the dumbest thing I've ever done. What am I even doing? I'm wasting so much time on literally nothing. All right, there. I'll just leave it like that. What is the game idea? All right, let me... I'll show the game right now. So pretty much what's gonna happen is you're a guy and you attack these enemies. Well, it's supposed to auto attack. There we go. I don't know why did that take so long? So I'm not really doing anything right now. It shoots automatically, and then you collect these XP orbs, and eventually level up. And so then you can choose an upgrade. So I can upgrade my fire staff, health regen, or crit chance. And now I have a higher chance to do a critical damage to an enemy. And that's pretty much it. Like, then I can make it more, I can make it cool. Oh, wait. The admin commands don't work now. What happened? Something like that. Okay, I don't know why the admin commands don't work anymore. They literally just were fine. That's annoying. So I guess I can't show the game, but that's annoying. Yeah. Why does he use VS Code and not Roblox Studio? Just for like the AI stuff in it. As you can see, I use it for things. Sup doggy? Oh wait, you guys can't even see what I'm looking at. If you see this, can you add an ability wind jump? Basically, the wind makes you jump high, and the wind charges to the enemy you're attacking, and it pushes it 5 studs. That would be cool. It would be like a big jump. It looks like the fireballs are going towards the enemy closest to the camera and not the player. Is that intended? No, it just picks a random player. It's kind of annoying that I can't use the admin commands now. What happened? I don't know why it's not working. Here, maybe I can open up an old version. Places. Version history. Let's do from yesterday. Oh, posture check. Oh, am I quiet? Hello? I can turn my mic up. Okay. Here we go. This actually looks sick. So if I use this, I can set the attack speed to like 10 and then set my projectile count to like 5 and then spawn how many enemies? 300? Oh, look at that. I think this looks sick. Oh, and yeah, here's pretty much the whole game. I can hear you much better. Yeah, maybe I should just move my mic closer. And then you can pick up all these XP orbs. Zoom. Now I do 1,300 damage. Here, wait, if I spawn in another 400 enemies at one time. Boom. I think this looks sick. And I'm upgrading super fast. I need to make it check, though, if it has a bunch. How much Robux did you get from Pogo Sim 2? My ears? Am I too loud? Oh yeah, this is an old version. Oh yeah, wait, why is this? I don't know why this is working and the other one isn't. Here, let's try that now. Oh, that doesn't do anything. So yeah, like if I have a bunch of enemies, I don't know who is talking about it, but if I have like 200, see, it kind of tries to choose a random one. So it doesn't always choose your closest with the fireball. And now the slash. The slash doesn't like show the direction yet. Still kind of just randomly goes. But it'll like face towards an enemy and slash it. So yeah. Are you working on this game by yourself? No, I have someone who did the VFX and someone who did all the builds and the models. If you do that apartment tour, don't show any windows, because like 1 pixel, your window can get your full address leaked. Okay. I will not show any windows. But I have a nice view. I could show my view. You are the YouTuber. Okay, that's just for the fireball. That's sick. Yeah. Here, wait. Let me close out this one because I don't need this anymore. No. Can I change the name of that? Can I change this name? Like, why is it .legacy? Yeah, and it still works. Spawn enemy. What if I spawn in like 300 elites? Oh yeah, I am cooked. Oh yeah, I don't even hit them? Do they not have can collide on? Wow, I get insta killed. Okay, let me just stop that. Can you make some settings to change the mob to be attacked like closest strongest? I don't think, I mean, I could. I don't think that's needed. Like, oh wait, this is what I was gonna do. Let me go to the modules, data, or no, it'd be in services, player setup, modules, data. Let me start with the explosion. So like this one, the enemy's just gonna explode. And I think this one does the closest one just because it doesn't really matter. Spawn enemy, zombie, 100. So like this one explodes and then any enemies near it get damaged. Which I think looks pretty good. I can up my pickup range. And I can get a fire staff. Boom. Black hole ability. That would be cool. How do I hire someone that can make custom CMDR? I might drop my custom CMDR for purchase. So if you guys want it, you could buy it. 300. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't know where to go. Huh? Yeah, I died. But this is most likely what it would be like. There would just be a bunch of enemies chasing you. Why are the fireballs not shooting at like different times? Oh, they are. Okay. I just couldn't see it. It's low-key so satisfying, just spam. Is there no way of reviving Brain Rot Factory? I don't think so. I tried, but the game was just kind of cooked. Are you going to have different avatars to choose? Yes. Don't say cool, just add it. Oh, wait, I forgot what you said, Itoshi. Let me see. Okay, I don't know what a black hole ability would be, though. Which tutorial did you use for Rojo? I used this guy named Leaf. You can look at that. Look that up on YouTube. He has great tutorials. He is the GOAT. Okay. So we have the viewports. We have this working now. I could track killing. Okay. Maybe I should make these platforms work. I think that would be good. Where is spawn? Let me copy this one. Okay, there's one right here. Oop. So how should this work? Let's see this. I can take these beams and oh, that looks terrible. Enable. Okay. Okay, here's the neon thing. Okay, so how I'm imagining this is it's like this until you walk into it, and then it starts glowing until it's completely done. Are you adding wizard abilities? You can stop time. Like Megabonk has this too. But like when you thing to grab. Yeah, I think we were but right now I'm just trying to focus on this. Can you make an ability that is a projectile that follows different orbitals, like a boomerang or something? Yeah, it's pretty much a Megabonk remake. I loved playing Megabonk, so I was like, why not make it in Roblox? Okay, let's add a part to this. Make it a cylinder. I'm not a builder. Let me get the position of this. Oop. Boom. And then this will be the container. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to try and make this thing work. And make some upgraders. So this will be upgrader 1. And then we need some upgrader locations. Assets. What is this? Map. It's a map asset. Okay. Oh. Let me just, oh, my music stopped. YouTube ate up my super chat, RIP. Hey, thank you so much, Charlie, for donating though. Who made the UGIs? Do you mean the UI and stuff, like the HUD? That was the builder, Modeler Coolest. He did a great job, honestly. Okay. So what I want to do here is, let's go nodes. Add a part that is a, let's do a 1x1. And let's get the C frame from here. Part. Boom. And then the orientation as well. There we go. And then delete this. Well, we can leave this part here. So let's just go node. Or upgrader node. And then added a tag upgrader node. Boom. So what I want to do here is check through all the nodes and then spawn an upgrader on them. So let's just stick with the fire staff for now. We can come back to this later. So I'm going to start working on this. So this would be the upgrader. Oh, that would be a folder. Upgrader service. Or what would that be called? Shrine service? Shrine service. New file, server.luau. So on the start, we want, I don't know if I'm going to have a client and a thing, but okay. So what I want this to do is when it's initialized, it should loop through all of them. Let's go function shrine service create. Maybe I'll just do it in the init one. Let's just do this. So first we have to do okay, so let's do for underscore comma node in pairs or at pairs collection service get tagged upgrader node and do. Let's do let's call it shrine node. Boom. Okay, shrine node. Oh. So for every shrine and shrine node, we gotta create a shrine. Do I want to make a class for this? Probably. Yeah, I probably need a class for this. Okay. Oh. Local shrine server function. And then I also have to there we go. And then create a thing from this. Wait, what is going on here? Why do I keep doing shrine? We can't see your script zoom in. How do I even zoom in VS Code? Is that better? I think this can be a little smaller. Okay. Nah, it's a little too big. Or too small. Nah, it's not control scroll because I'm doing that right now. Okay, we create a shrine. We need the, what do we need for it? First off, we need the C-frame. C-frame. That's pretty much all I need right now. Let's go function, shrine, server, create model. Replicated storage dot assets dot map dot upgrader. I think that's right. Yep. Clone, no. Model dot parent equals, let's do this too. Map equals workspace dot map, wait for child map and map. Okay. Are you gonna add an option to choose if you're a villain or a hero? I mean, you're just gonna be able to choose your class. So it's gonna be kind of like 99 Nights in a Forest. Is the Apple icon in the hotbar an image or a viewport frame? It's an image. Yeah, I mean, Hugo, there's a plugin for Roblox Studio that also does the thing where if you type in replicated storage, it just puts it here. But you have to go like this and then do replicated storage. But I mean, I think it's still good, so could be good to look into. Okay, let's go model, comma, pivot to self dot C-frame. Okay, and then we can go self dot, let's do it in here. And do we need anything else? And then we should do self dot zone equals zone plus dot container yeah. What's the point of using object-oriented programming if you're doing something simple like you're doing right now? It's just so I can have like, I'll have a list of all the shrines and you'll be able to have like different states. So like this will have like a certain amount of like fill or like however long the player's on it for. And I'll be able to track that like for each one. Like if I just, I mean, I could have like just a big list in this, but it's kind of harder to track and it's better if I just have a class. I think Brawl Dev is a very good person to watch for YouTube. POV, everyone watching the stream outside the US. Yeah. Sorry guys, it's kind of late. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is then do the shrine server dot new node cframe. Don't need to create the model. And then what we can do is local all shrines. And then we can do table.insert all shrines. And then now we have a list of all the shrines. And when we make them. So we have one node. The Dev King is outdated. His tutorials are pretty good. Yeah, that's what I watched to learn how to code. I've actually never watched Brawl Dev's tutorials, so I'm just recommending them because that's what I've heard from other people that his are good. I thought about making my own, but it got really boring fast, so. Yeah. Okay. On player entered. I wonder if this actually works. And then let's go self, comma, create model. So what we need for this is so you have the C frame. Yeah, recommending something I've never watched. Yeah.
At Charlie Deverbe fed a Doge with $2.80.
Thank you, Charlie.
Cam is calling me a cheapskate.
Hey, you're not a cheapskate. I think you have donated a lot of money. Cheapskate. Cheapskate? Cheapsteak? What is the right word? I don't even know. I don't think you're a cheapskate though. Right? Cheapskate? I don't know. Whatever. I have no clue what it is. I'm good, Everest. How are you? I low-key miss my Roblox game development. Dude, you should. Roblox game development is all awesome. I spent all my money on subdogging, not education. Honestly, that's a good investment, Charlie. Thank you. Maybe we should have total duration the things are filled up for. What is the word for it being completed? Maybe the percentage? Percent complete equals 0. Okay. Is this going to work? No clue. Shrine service. Oh, that's a capital I, lowercase I. Is that even going to work? No clue. Let's see. Oh, this is it. All right, let's see if it works. No. This is it, right? This is the one I added. Oh, there's no container. Where's the container? Why did that not go with? Oh, is it not anchored? Container. Ah, okay, it wasn't anchored. All right. Let's try that again. There we go, now it's there. Okay. Yeah, I forgot to anchor. Does not print though. I wish it would tell me what these are. Let's try this. Boom. I probably should have put it closer. No, still doesn't work. Oh, there's an error. I'm pretty sure the on player entered is lowercase. Like that. No. Zone plus that. I know I use zone plus in my other games, so I'm gonna go see how I do it. Okay. No, this one. I have it in the Dunjora game. If you guys want to see the OG Dunjora game, here it is. We had this this cool UI and lobby and everything. Where's the lobby area? Is it not even here? Ah, here it is. Script. Yeah. Oh, player entered. No on. Okay, wait, I wonder if that'll work then if I just do player entered like this. If not, I can always just change it. Let's try that. Are you gonna upload the Flash game? Or wait, the Flash? Or what is that game? What do you mean? I'm confused. Just make a brain rock cash grab. Low key. No, that does not work. Okay. Self.zone.player entered print. All right, let's try that. Here we go. There we go. Okay. And then we can do whenever they exit. Oh. Player exited. Left the shrine zone. All right, let's see if that works. Once it comes out, you should do a gimme admin. What do you mean gimme admin? Okay, enters, it prints subdoggy if you can see it down here. When I leave, it prints left. All right, now we have to connect these two functions. Function shine server on player enter. Function on player exit. And then I think I have to do a dot here. Self dot on player exit. There. Okay. Stream's 2 hours long. Yes, it is. Oh, what's up, Mako? I don't think I said anything. Oh, Boxy's in here. What's up, Boxy? Are you gonna do a video about making this game? Yes. Hopefully it'll come out soon. I'm gonna do devlogs for it, so it's gonna have a bunch of parts. Okay. So we got the upgrader, enter and exit. Let's do is in zone equals false. And then we can connect this to the task dot on tick connect. I don't know how fast this should go. Why is the ground shaped like Dorito tiles? That's just because of how they were made. They were made with like nodes. I wonder how many parts there are. Do I still have that part plugin? How much time I've spent? 1 hour in studio? That is not right. That's less time than this stream has been on for. Oh, whatever. I don't think I have the part counter. Okay, then we just gotta do any. Sorry. Okay. So we have the task.onTick percent complete, and then let's do self.percent complete, and then if is greater than 1, print. There we go. I think that's good. Self dot is in zone is true. Oh. Okay, well, we need this. I think what we have to do is function this, end. And you can't have it on multiple lines, so what? Oh, and then player, and then add a colon here. And let's just copy this. And then we can switch the function. There we go. Self dot is in zone false. Okay. My plot system isn't working? Sorry, I don't know why it's not. Do you have any other projects after this? I mean, this is my main focus right now. We'll see. I do have a bunch of ideas for games, but I don't know. Boom. This should fill up like immediately. Yeah, shrine is full. And then, okay, let's do this. Take away the container. Which one's neon? Okay, we can hide the container now. Let's copy and paste this part. We can make it the black color. And then turn off the beams. Okay. And we can tween this. It looks sick. Thank you. When will you upload on the second channel? I mean, if you guys have any good ideas for tutorials, I can always just try and upload it like whenever I finish the video. Okay, there. Now it's like dark, but I want it to light up when you step on it. So we got to on player enter. Let's set the self.model. Oh, self. I think we could do, does this work if you do this? No. Yeah, let's just do self.model. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Don't need to return. Okay, self.model dot part. Self.model.activation part.color equals, is this green? Let's do that color. Boom. And let's go self.model dot beam part dot, and then we need beam 1 and 2. Beam 1, beam 2, beam 1 dot enabled equals true, self.model beam part dot beam 2 dot enabled equals true. Okay, and then we just reverse this down here. Color should be, oh, that color, false, false. Maybe we can make this slowly go up. You can do it, don't give up. Thank you. Are you dividing types along with your oop? No. Should I? How do I even do that? Like that? No. C-frame? Like that? Is that right? There we go. I'm not really good at types. I don't really understand it yet. So, not that good at it yet. Okay, wait. Now when you jump in it, it should light up. So you see it spawns it on the node. Boom. You leave. Boom. 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 Okay. And then I think what I'm going to do is okay, so the beams should have like a, we can set this to enabled. Yeah, so the transparency I think is, just set it to 1. 1. And then also this. Stream on Twitch. Should I stream on Twitch? Would you guys want to see that? Hey, yo, chat. Okay. Would you guys want me to stream on Twitch? Yes or no? Because I could stream on both YouTube and Twitch. And then just, if you guys want to see me on Twitch, you could just go watch it. Yes. Kick is better. Should I stream on all 3? No. I mean, if anyone would watch me on Twitch, I think that would be good. Then you can, The chat is all YouTube, as you see, because I have it set up so if I do stream on another platform, it'll show. Frick, Twitch is better. Yeah. Do you love module scripts? Because my projects always had like thousands of module scripts. I love them ever since I learned how they worked. I always use them. When I did Roblox dev? Yes. My project is like 99.9% module scripts. I would watch on Twitch. Okay. I think next stream I'll stream on Twitch. I might stream tomorrow. We'll see, but okay. Let's do local let's just do black color equals the black color. And then we can do local green color is that. Not enable. We might not even need these functions. I'll just keep them for now. Okay, let's do self.model.beampart.beam1.transparency equals number sequence dot new number sequence key point dot new time 0 value is value, and then we do number sequence key point 1 value. Okay, and then local transparency value, and then just transparency value. Boom. There we go. Yo, Charlie Dev again. Thank you. Oh, Cam is asking to check DMs.
If you could
I
check
think I
his
saw that
DMs.
before. I just don't want to check it on stream. Okay, let me check quick. Join us. For what? What is this? I'm not gonna join the voice server, guys. I'll join later, not on stream though. I'm just trying to make this. What are you programming right now? Wait, give me 1 second. I'll show it off. Let me just finish what I was doing, and then I'll show off my cool new tech. Wait, why is this all red? Expected to be a number, but got number sequence key point. Wait, number sequence. Oh. Is this supposed to be that? That? There we go. Oh, what just happened? Okay. I think that's good. All right, let's see if that worked. Okay, so what I'm doing, I forgot who asked. Oh, not working at all. Okay. Transparency. Did I spell it wrong? Yeah, I spelled it wrong. Transparency. Wait. Transparency. Yeah, I spelled it wrong. What? It was auto-correcting it wrong. Oh, okay, let me go over here. Okay, so what I'm doing is right here, I'm trying to make this so like you can walk into it and then it kind of like powers up, you know? I don't know why only one side is doing it though. Oh, that's why. I think I should do this on the client though. I don't know. Let me see how bad this is. Activation part.color. Does lerp work with colors? There's no way it works. Oh, it does. Oh, wow. Yeah, so it's just going to load up and then... Why is only one beam transparency going though? Is one enabled? Oh, that's not enabled, that's why. Okay. There we go, now it's not one-sided. Okay. There we go. Boom. That might be a little too bright. Oh, and the zombies can't get to me because of this. Wait, can the zombies get to me in here? I need more zombies. Oop. No, wait, how do I deselect all this? Spawn. Oh no, they can't. Wait, why not? Spawn enemy. Can they not get to me on this part? Wait, what is going on? Why can they not hit me? I guess I'm invincible now? What are they hitting? It's something on the server. Oh, okay. That is bad. Zombies can't walk on this. Players can kill every zombie. Yeah, I know. Okay. So, the El Problemo, I think, is can touch. But now it might not work. All right, let me get a bunch of zombies. Spawn. Oh, no. Spawn. Zombie. Let's just go like 50. 50 is a good number. Come here, zombies. Walk through it. No. Okay, that's an issue. Oh, okay, so I need to make this part something the zombies can ignore. So when it's fully complete, let's go to upgrade service. Can I just start the upgrade? Get upgrade. Get possible upgrades, get upgrades, apply upgrade? Or is it the game service server? Start run, on player level up. Okay, let me just on player level up. Let's just try that. Now you can immediately get a reward, but the zombies can't kill you, which is a problem. And that might run like 45 times. Oh, it works. Okay. Projectile count. Okay, now I gotta get out of here. I get 1,000,000 levels. Can I get out of it? Dude, I'm like actually gonna be super OP. Wait, I'm way out of it. Why is it not working? I think I'm stuck. Oh wow, look at this. Okay, well, that doesn't work. Complete equals false boolean, yeah. And not self dot complete. Oh, why do I keep spelling everything wrong? Self dot complete equals true. Boom. And break. Or let's go. Local tick connection. Boom. There we go. What else did I want to do? Oh, make it so the enemies don't go. Okay. What's the most challenging thing you programmed? What's the coolest thing you programmed? I think the most challenging thing was the item movement in the Brain Rot Factory game. The coolest thing I ever did, low key, I believe it's these enemies, because like they literally have custom movement. I think it's this game. Honestly, this game has been like so fun to code so far, because it's like so many things I've never done before. Like all these enemies have custom physics. Like the fireball's also custom with the custom physics. And like, I don't know. I'm just really proud of this game so far. But I am invincible on here. Now I get a knife. Which is cool. Okay, now we have to... What's the last thing we have to do for this? Oh yeah, make it so enemies can walk through the container. What tags do I have so far? Enemy. Here, what do enemies ignore? Where's enemy service? I think it would be in here, server. Raycast. Oh, enemy parameters. That would be in modules, platform, configs, raycast parameters. Okay, map folder and collection service, comma, get tagged, enemy ignore. Okay, and then we just have to do enemy ignore. Boom. Let's see if that works. Spawn 50. I think 50 is a great number of enemies to start with. Okay. You are not that guy, pal. All right, please walk through. Please walk through. No. Okay, I think I know why that doesn't work. Enemy param. Okay. Let's just do every movement one. Ah, is that too much stuff though? Like too much making and deleting? Because realistically, it's not going to update after the game loads. I should go on enemy server. Enemy params. Oh, I just don't add it in the map folder. When I create it. Create model. I'll just do that for now. I think that would work. All right, let's try that. Is that gonna work? No clue. Nope, error. Container is not a valid member of... Oh, true. Local container. Because I only have to get it once. Oh. Okay. All right, let's try this now. Spawn zombie 100. Oh, it just hit him, but it didn't do any damage. Are we serious? What if I just turn off the can query? Can it just not walk up the stairs? Spawn enemy 100. Oh no, they can now. Okay, so it's something with this model. Oh, wait, what am I doing? There we go. That's why. Oh wait, and I want that to be. Yeah, okay, you can touch it. That much zombie and no lag? Yep. It's custom physics made by me to make them. Look at this. How many frames am I running? 40 frames. All right, but it's still working. Oh, okay, I couldn't get over him. Hopefully I don't spawn in the middle. Okay. Oh, okay. I mean, there is definitely lag. I think this is what, 300? Explosion. Oh, yeah. Is it charging? It's not charging. Can they walk over it, though? No, they can't. So it's not even working. Okay. Yeah, the explosion is definitely way too OP, but whatever. Make enemies 2D images if you're experienced with it. I mean, I could. I don't know if that might look weird. Or might look weird. How to make a team-based character system? What do you mean a team-based character system? Okay. Container. Wait a minute. I don't even know what I'm doing, bro. That was okay, if you guys were looking at the screen, I don't know how many of you guys are like actually watching, but okay, now it should work. Dude, I am so stupid. Oh my gosh. Spawn enemy 50. Okay. Now it should work. Yes. Okay, so the zombies actually chase you through it. And if I can eventually load it up, it should give me a thing. Come on, come on, come on. Fire staff. Load up, load up. Wait, was that from the thing or no? I think it was. Wait, now I'm confused. I think that got fully loaded. I have no clue. What? Oh. Okay. All right, wait, let me try and load it up now. Is Rojo a good VS Code extension? Yeah. Boom. W projectile count. Okay, I should probably. Oh wait, is this node not anchored? Oh my gosh, it's not anchored. Let's just make it like flat. All right, we'll leave that like that. There we go. Now we got upgraders. Could you test how many zombies your game survive without lag? A stress test and stuff like this? Should we try it? Okay. Let's try. I could add a zombie count. Should I add a zombie count? Like how many are alive? Okay. This is what, 100? We're still at 200 frames per second. 200 FPS. What VS Code extension do you use? I use a few of them. I think you can just hide on trees. Let me hide on this tree. Yeah. If I can get up this tree. There, now they can't get me. All right, this is like, what, 50 enemies? Spawn in 300. Okay, there's definitely a lot of lag. 16 FPS right now. Let me set my... Wait, how am I taking damage? How did he get in the tree? Okay, now it's 200 frames. Now it's 0. It's kind of fire though. Look at how many enemies there are. Oh my gosh, this is so laggy. Wait, let me add in some elites. Spawn enemy. 10. Move! Move! Why am I not moving? Okay, I couldn't even. I was like stuck. Okay. Now we got some bosses in here. The enemies are replicated on the client. So I guess I can show you. This is like the stress test. I don't know how many this is, like 400 or 300, 400 enemies. Oh, do we think I can load up this upgrader here or no? Definitely loads way too fast. Okay, this is kind of... Here, if I go on the server though, where are all those enemies? Where am I? Oh, over here. Yeah, see how there's no enemies? But if I go back on the client, they're all right here. But back on the server, nothing. Client, and I'm gonna die. Okay, so I feel like after a certain point, it gets way too laggy. Yeah, the movement's gonna be like Mega Bonk, hopefully. Can't hackers manipulate them? I mean, they could. Like, if I go in here, spawn in 100 enemies, you can't really do anything about it though, because they're all like handled on the server. So like, see how all these are like this? Here, let me show you something. So if I like go over here and I go into the enemies and I just delete all of them. See how there's no more enemies, but I'm still firing. Now if I walk into them, I still get hit because all the enemies are on the server. They're like handled on the server. It just shows them only on the client. So is this Roblox Mega Bonk Unk? You know, because you called me Unk, I'm not responding. But yes, it is. So I did respond. I lied. Okay, cool. So we got the shrine working. I think it goes way too fast though. So we could low-key just like, let's do this. Local shrine speed equals 0.005. There we go. That's like half. Shrine speed. There we go. Let's see how that works. Add a join cutscene. I think we're going to work on it. We need an animator for this game. Nah, I feel like that's still too fast. Oh, 01. Have a good day too, Just Melon YT. Thanks for watching. I'm new. Any tips to grow my game? Pixel. Like the title changes. Any tips? Oh. Okay, this might be too slow. Okay. I think that's too slow. Is this like good? I thought. Why are you not responding? A wizard enemy is a good idea. Well, I'm a wizard character. Why would we have a wizard enemy? Let's see how long this takes. I mean, maybe like 3. Let's try that. Can you add brain rot to the game? No. I'm back. What did you make? I made this little shrine here that you can step on and it goes green. Wait, I wonder, I gotta check the performance stats. Is this like upping the rest EV? Oh wait, let me. I think my dream Roblox game would be something like Rivals. Like a shooter game. Okay, let me check the rest EV. All right, when I step on it. Okay, I don't think that's that bad. That's not too bad. And then I think we need to make it so if you have multiple people in the game, it goes slower unless both people are on it. Do zombies use the humanoid instance? No. They don't. Thank you, Firestorm. Yeah, I think a Pokemon game is a good idea. How do you handle hit detection? Because, like, I mean, it's purely math on the server, right? Yes. So I can go into the enemy one. Where's the move? So here, it tries to damage nearby players by just checking how close it is. Because it has, like, a position. It has its position and then a radius, like each enemy. If I go into data, enemy data, it has a radius. So, like, that's how big the circle around the enemy is. And pretty much it just checks if it's close to the enemy. Or wait, it just checks or tries to damage nearby players, like if it's close. If the distance is less than the radius, then it tries to attack you. I'm kind of new, bit blur to choose mind path. Okay. So yeah, we got the shrine done. You can choose multiple things. So this fireball is pretty much just like purely a ray cast. The difficulty is not scaling well though. Where's game service? I think this has how many players there are too. Okay. Check cooldown. All players are ready. Start run on level up. I think we should have like a function game service server dot get players. Right? And let's go local players equals this for and then players. Function. I think we should also get the maybe it's instead of it being like is in zone, it should be players in zone. And this is a thing. And then this has players in it. And then instead of is in zone, we do players, or it can do that too. But then is in zone. And then total players equals length of game service server get players. So then this shrine speed locals speed equals shrine speed is that right? I have a networker just for the enemy service. Okay. So we got the speed, add the speed, and it's based on how many players there are. So if there's 2 players, it should go slower. So let me just set the total players to like 4. And it should go really slow. Because then you're going to need all 4 of you to be in this like little shrine. Like you're all just, nope. It's the opposite. It goes fast. That's what I thought. I thought these should be switched. Divide. Well, I think it should only be like 50% of like normal. Print shrine speed, comma, speed. Let's try that. Oh, volume's low? Sorry. I am kind of talking low. I can talk louder. This should not be that, though, if there's no players in it. It should not be... It should be 0. Number of players in zone. Wait, the max is 1? Oh, yeah. So it's always going. If we just do that then. infinite? Boom. I think that's good. Sup, Dreadlow? What ideas do you need help for? Example, ability ideas, enemy ideas. Low key enemy okay. And it lights up immediately. Why does that happen? Total players. I'm guessing that's not. Print total players. I'm guessing it's 0. Yeah, it's 0. Okay. Let's go signal bank dot round start once function, and then we can just put that in there. Now it shouldn't be 0. Okay. Maybe I wasn't supposed to do it once. Connect. Nope. Signal bank. Player finished upgrading. Does it ever do the round start? Where's the start run? Oh, these just run start. Okay, let's just move this into here. There. Now that'll just run when the game starts. I don't know why I didn't do that before. Okay. Where's the start? Oh, I guess, I mean, running the function also works too. Don't need that then. Okay, sorry, I low-key have not been reading chat at all. Visual Studio Code, VS Code has better IntelliSense. Yes. I use it in my projects. Yeah, I'm using Rojo. Definitely the most chill I've ever. Thank you. I don't know if that's a compliment or not. Should I be like more crazy? I don't know. Signal bank server on the round start, round's only going to start once, so. Boom. Don't need that. Signal blank server, round start, self, comma, start. Don't need that anymore. Don't need that. Boom. Okay, now it fires the round start, and then on round start, I can connect once. Let me go. Once. Just gotta make sure these are all once. Round start. Okay, that should be good then. Then here, round start, it starts. Wait. Yeah. Wait, did I code this? Why do I not remember? Oh, this is the collection service. That's not the shrine service. Okay. Okay. Wow, that was a lot of work just for literally nothing. Let's see if it works. I can tell it works because it's down here. And it should go back. A lifesteal enemy or like buffs the nearby enemies. This makes it more entertaining. Wait. Oh yeah, lifesteal enemy could be cool. Oh, water check and posture check. I've low-key been trying to have good posture. All right, so we got the upgrades working. Multiple players are in here. It should be good. I might need to change it so it's on the client because most of the stuff is on the client. Like the visuals are just on the client, but I'm almost asleep. Oh no. That's not good. Okay. So I think we got a lot of stuff done, honestly. I don't know what else I should do. Let me check my list. So I got weapons working. Maybe I can add more cool stuff. Okay, yeah, I think the enemy spawn rate is definitely way too low. So yeah, we got the shrines pretty much working. I don't know if I'll have to change anything about that. We'll see. Where's the enemy service? I want to work on them spawning at a good rate. Okay, I love your videos. I just made my own Roblox game. Yo, thank you. That's awesome. I hope it goes well. Oh yeah, spawn a boss. That would be good. But we do have this boss. Oh, we do have this boss. This guy, but there's no animations for him yet. We gotta get those down, and then you'll be able to go in the portal. Here's all our assets. Maybe I should go back by the spawn. I think it's like right here you spawn. Okay. What should I work on? think just the difficulty increase would be good. Because it kind of does not work. What if I just do 10? It should go really quick, so it'll like ramp up fast. Oh, I don't need this printing all the time, actually. I need to change that code. In the Shrine server. Let's print the difficulty. I don't know why the materials go away. It's kind of annoying. Oh, there we go. Now it's scaling up really fast. Where's the shrine? Let me go get the shrine. I think I capped the amount of enemies. Maybe I should make it like 250. Just so you don't lag that much. No, let me get the shrine. I'm gonna die. Alright, okay, I can't get it. I'm not really lagging that much right now. Still at 100 frames. Next time you live stream ping me? Okay, I will. Dude, I can't. There's literally no way I'm gonna be able to get this shrine. Beeline. Alright. No. Oh, there we go. I got the explosion. It's OP. Alright, the explosion should be able to clear out all these enemies. Okay, I definitely need to upgrade my attack speed though. And projectile count, that's a good one. Health regen. I could get some health regen. Yeah, I'll just do projectile count. Okay, explosion, projectile count. I need attack speed as one. Or pickup range, because I can't pick up any of these orbs. No, okay, I'm gonna die. Attack speed, there we go. Attack speed low-key goated. Attack speed. Okay, I've been trying to get this shrine, but I'm literally just... Oh, I died. I've just been leading the enemies around the shrine. I think the enemies are capped. I feel like they should be spawning in super fast. Okay, let me get some of these orbs. Do you guys think I should make the orbs bounce up and down? Do you guys think I should make the orbs bounce up and down, or are they good like stagnant? Because they're kind of just standing still. But I could make them like bounce. Stagnant is good. Okay. Make them levitate a bit. Okay. I feel like it could be good. Okay, I'm starting to lag now. I wonder how many enemies this is. If I just stand here, honestly, and the explosion keeps killing them, I can't die. Oh, okay, I did die. Huh. I should probably cap the difficulty. Okay. Why do you feel left behind? The material issue is a rendering bug in Studio. Fast flags you. You can try resetting it by going to Studios, rendering, reset the default. Studio settings? What does that do? Yeah, I don't remember what it was. Okay, definitely cap. Let's figure out what the cap is for the difficulty. I kind of like how slow it is. I like it that it just spawns like one enemy, one or two. Now we got two. Oh, wait, we already got max. Seems like 150. Right. Seems like 150 is the max. Okay, let's see how that is. Oh. Oh, I did a random interval inside of a random one. Oops. 1, comma. There we go. All right, let's try that. Okay. 3 hours and 5 minutes. Let's go. Wait, I need to print the difficulty. I need to see what it is. Oh, shoot. Yo, Charlie Dev, thank you.
Charlie fed a Doge with $2.80. Could you please add leaderboards? Folded hands emoji.
Yeah, I can definitely add leaderboards. Leaderboards would definitely be in the lobby though, so it probably wouldn't be something that I add soon. We don't even have a lobby yet. Boom. Oh, this is not good. I think I should set the cap at a different number. Spawn enemy. Okay, cap should definitely be 250 to 350. So like max enemies there can be is 350. There probably is stuff in material service. I mean, not right now. Oh, I need the shrine. Okay, wait, let's see if I can get the shrine now. Okay, definitely not. There's way too many enemies. Huh. Stay away. Alright, I'm dead. I also need to fix the XP gain because it does not work too well. Where's the run difficulty? Oh. Nope. Don't print. Okay. Have a good day, chat and sub Dougie. Thank you, Dreadlow. Thanks for watching. All right. Do you ignore questions about contacting you? What do you mean? Contact me on what? I can give you my global announcement system. I already have one. Thank you, though. I've been trying to spam. Don't worry, yo. When I say that, I wanted to say in DMs, kind of personal thing for me. At least I want to mention a few things. You good with that? Yeah. Just hit me up on Discord. I think you've messaged me before, so yeah. Okay. What time is it for you? You seem tired. It is 3:41 p.m. I am pretty tired though. I didn't sleep that well last night. Okay, I feel like this run difficulty is better. Or maybe I should just set it at a number and then increase it every once in a while. This definitely will need to be changed in the future. Let's do this. Just spawn a normal one. And right now the run difficulty will be infinite. Okay. Yes, sir. Road to 200K. Okay. I think the difficulty scaling is all right. We got that down though. I'm close to 200K. I don't know how many things. Do you ignore typed of questions asking to things like add you on Discord? Yeah, I don't really add people on Discord. It's just kind of like, I mean, I don't even know how I would. Just like if someone messages me on Discord, I'm not really likely to see it. Just because I don't really check my random DMs. Just like stuff from normal people, or not normal people, but like people I normally message. Oh, I got a crit. That's a 1% chance. Why am I not shooting him always? Also, okay, I think I'm going to do one more thing and then I'm going to end the stream, which is where's the upgrade service? Here. Whenever you get a new one, it shouldn't have a rarity. Okay, get upgrade. Where do I use this? Print. Oh. Print. Upgrade. Do I have player run? Oh, player data. Get upgrade. Oh, here. Okay, that's where it was. Where's get upgrade? Oh, here. It returns rarity and upgrade values. I think upgrade info should equal. No, don't add an index. Let's just do common. So then when you get a new one, it's just a common rarity, so it won't be any better. Set stat, attack speed, 10. Spawn enemy, zombie, 100. Okay, let's try and get an upgrade. I think that's right. XP gain is still times 10? Wait, what? Data, upgrade data. Oh yeah. Okay, wait, where's XP gain? 0.01, 0.085. Oh, 8 and 5. Okay. I think that's good. The enemy script, there's like multiple scripts for the enemies. Like there's the enemy service that's like for all the enemies, and then the class, which is like for all the individual ones. All right, let me set attack speed to 10, spawn 100. Okay, there we go. I think that worked. Let's do more damage. That didn't seem like it did anything. Faster attack speed. Okay, explosion's definitely way too OP. By the way, I have a cool player health regen system in my old project if you like the code for it. No, I already have a health regen system in this game. You can kind of tell. It'll go up a little bit eventually. Okay, wait, does the damage increase? I can't really tell. Where's a fireball? I need a fireball to hit someone. Spawn enemy. Yeah, I think it increases by a little bit. There we go. Yeah, explosion's way too OP. Maybe I should turn the radius down. I mean, I don't think it's just gonna be an explosion. It's gonna be like an axe or something, but I would not recommend VS Code. I mean, I would recommend it if you're like an advanced coder, I would say, because it's kind of hard to use if you're not that like well versed with Roblox code. But I mean, you can try it out if you want to. Just go watch Leaf. I put his username, so you can just copy that. If you want to look up like a Rojo tutorial to like set up VS Code, just look up that guy. But yeah. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I think that's gonna be it for this stream. I'll play the game for a little bit. I've been playtesting it a lot, so I mean, don't really need to play it, but I should add an explosion to the fireball. Let's see what I get from this. Oh, we got the explosion. There we go. The explosion is definitely way too OP. Oh, I think the first two fireballs fire weird. Oh, maybe it's in weapons. Classes, weapon, server. Does that work? I don't know. It's just one fireball, right? No, it's two. Okay. I mean, I think that's fine. For your NPCs, are you using client-side replication without humanoids while server calculates positions? Yes. Actually, what I'm doing is the enemy server. Here, I can go into the servers. So the enemy server, and I guess it's a class too. So the enemy server has all the enemy positions, and I use a grid system. So like every 8 studs, enemies are grouped into like groups kind of. So they're groups of like 8 studs. So like every enemy in a position are grouped together. And then that group gets sent to the client like a few times a second. So then it updates on the client, but also for the enemies on the client, I also calculate their position so it's smooth. So like if I didn't, so if I just, here, I can turn off, where is it? This one. So if I just don't update enemy client positions, you're gonna see that the enemies are kind of, okay, well, if I have more enemies. See how they're kind of like glitchy? So that's because they only move now when the server updates them. So they're just kind of by group. So you can kind of see like these few enemies that are close together will move together because they're in groups of the enemies. And this is all server sided. So like if I were to make the enemies on the server, it would show this. But because I update I guess where the enemies are gonna move to on the client, it looks smooth. So now if I run it and I add spawn enemy 100, see how they're smooth? And you can't even tell that they're being moved on the server. So like, you remember how they were like moving like glitchy, like kind of weird? So that's still happening, but because the client's predicting where they're gonna be, they don't move much. So like, you might be able to see it sometimes, like if you see them like glitch over. But the system works really well, so it doesn't really do it much. Yeah, I think it looks perfect. And it's really like good against anti-cheat too, because you're not gonna be able to like, you can delete all the enemies if you want, but it's still on the server. Thank you. It is very well made. So yeah, I'm gonna make some videos about this. I think I'm gonna end stream. I'm gonna go work on I'm gonna try and make a short, make some videos for this game. But thank you guys so much for watching. Everyone who viewed the stream, I hope you like the bedsheet background. Let me know if I should change it. But yeah, if you want to give me any good ideas, just drop it in the suggestions. Ooh, a saw weapon is good. Saw weapon. But I think that's gonna be it for the stream. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later. Hope you guys have a good day. I really appreciate you guys for watching, and please keep up with the development of the game. I hope this game does really well. So thanks for watching, guys.